Hi guys, today I'll show you how to download all cs50 library and extensions on macOS. Um First of all, you have to go. You should go to my GitHub page and see the readme.md. Let's take a look at that. Close VS Code. It's already closed. Go to GitHub cs50 lib cs50 and download the zip file. Sorry for my poor English, by the way. Download zip. Take it to the desktop and unarchive it. And there it is. You can delete the zip file. Go to CRS and copy all two files. Then open the VS Code. Create a new file, example x.c, and then write this. And right click the studio dot h, sorry, and click to the go to definition. Give me a minute. Just click, right click and click to go to definition, and right click the file and click show in finder and paste the files that we just copied, and I have already copied it. And that's it for first step. And then your VS Code should look like this after the installing all of the extensions, and close the VS Code and go back to my readme file, and then you should sorry, and then you need to copy that code and open the terminal window of macOS. paste it. Sorry. My username is JK. And then you need to paste sudo make install, or just write down. And I don't do it because I already have did it. And then it installed. It has installed. For installing cs50.dev extensions, download VS Code extensions export zip from this site. Sorry. And unzip it. And delete the zip file. Open it. And there's the extensions file. But if you don't want to download these guys, you can just delete it. It's not important for you if you don't need that much extensions. But if you need, if you want to your VS Code look like exactly like this, like this, with all these extensions. Just wait a minute. All of these extensions. Just follow the steps. Let's open a new terminal window, or just write cd and clear, and then copy this and paste, and change the username, and then paste that, and paste that. But I have already installed, so I won't do it. And then installing special cs50 developer extensions. Why? Because when we enter this code, it won't install the special cs50 extensions. We need to install them manually, except this guys, because they are already in the marketplace of VS Code. You can download it without code, but if you want to install this, you need to follow the steps. I'll do it only one time. For one, write cd, copy, paste. I got an error because I already created this file, and cd, enter, and npm install. Just wait a few seconds, or I won't do it because I have already did it, and write that and enter. I'll stop it too, and finally copy and paste that. It was successfully installed. Thank you for watching me. I'll give that GitHub link below the video. Have a nice day. I hope I was helped you. I can't say anything. Goodbye and have a good day. Bye, guys.